Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? My name is Lisa Swanson-Canty. I'm excited. I'm from DC. I traveled all the way here to Las Vegas just to participate in the G4 Golpa implant and solutions. I've been looking at this for about 2.5 years, almost 3 years. I came across a high school friend who, got this work done. And I remember him at high school having some issues with his teeth. And me growing up, I had some of the same kind of issues. Mine were maybe a little different. I don't smoke, I don't drink, but however, I was born with soft enamel on my teeth. And the dentist will always tell my parents, like, she's gonna probably have some problems with decay and things like that, no matter what she eats, whether it's candy or don't eat candy, she can have an issue. Well, as a young teen, I made a decision to get into a relationship that was domestic violence. And for 5 years, I endured abuse. My abuser thought it to be funny, to punch me in my mouth and chip my teeth and knock my teeth out. So I started losing teeth at the age of 21. I had 3 kids by that age. I was a teen mom, and each pregnancy kind of contributed to the decay as well. And so my teeth would get just soft. I would have to get fillings. I would have to get so many different things that would go on. And I was spending thousands of dollars over the years. Honestly, I could truly say that I'm spending less to get this procedure done one time than I've spent over my 45 years of getting dental work done in so many different various places. And as you can see, this is what is landing to me. No, it gets better. Let me tell you. Look at that. See that? It doesn't really match my face, right? And so this is what I've been having to live with for years and years. Not that I'm not confident, but this should not be what my life has been reduced to. Not wanting to smile. I'm a naturally cheery, bubbly person. Not wanting to be able to talk to people, but better yet, not being able to eat properly and eat the kind of foods that are self-sustaining for my body. And so I just made a decision. And you guys, you're going to be the first people to know, to find out, and see me post-op to let me know what you think. I believe it's a great decision. I've researched it, I've studied it, I've done price comparisons at 4 different places outside of G4 Golpa. And this is, I believe, is the best decision that I'm going to be making for me, my personal self, the quality of the product, and my life overall. I want to be happy again. I want to smile again. I want to interact with people normally without and this. I truly believe I've been blessed with the fountain of youth. I'll be 46 years old tomorrow, and so for my 46th birthday, I get to walk away with new, improved, visibly beautiful teeth. What's going on, you guys? Guess what? It is now day 2, 24 hours post-op. Can you believe it? 24 hours ago, I was sitting before you with confidence, but not this kind of confidence. And I can tell you now, this solution was exactly what I needed to be able to move and press forward. I'm so happy with the results. It's only 24 hours. I'm still making some adjustments, but just last night, not having pain, not having, to take pain medicine. Everybody's different. I can't make any promises for you as an individual, but I can tell you this. They took such good care of me that I know whatever I did need was in place. But it just so happened the optimism and the gratitude that I feel just having the surgery and not having so much pain post-op, they really took care of me from the beginning all the way to this place. And so listen, I'm telling you, if you've been considering this, if you've even thought about it, dreamt about it, wondered if this is for you, it is. It is the solution. I've been battling this for years. Trust me, I know. Today's my birthday. I'm 46. And I can tell you, I'm looking forward to living my blessed life ahead of me now that I have this renewed sense of confidence with such amazing teeth, you guys. Wouldn't you agree? Okay? I would agree. If you're considering G4 Golpa is the answer. If you want, call me. Listen, I'm just a paying patient, just like you would be. I just want you to know what impact it has had on me in such a short time. And so you can see me real live, close, personal, a person just like you, took some time to research it, gather my funds together, but I knew that the value was there. Wipe away the dollar amount. Don't look at that. Never look at anything of value with a dollar amount. Money is only an issue in the absence of value. And the value is there. The value is in the longevity. The value is in the permanence of what this can do for you. So I'm Lisa Swanson-Canty. I'm from DC. I'm super excited. I just came and I'm 24 hours post-op talking to you and letting you know that it was the best decision I've made in my life. So you definitely want to come and see us because I'm a part of the family now.